Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Center Point Mall. Gusto ko lang i-flex guys yung mga geese na tumatawid at tinitigilan talaga ng mga car. Ganyan dito sa Canada. Ayan, nakatawid na sila. So ngayon, ayan, start na tumakbo yung mga cars. Yan. Flex ko lang guys. Ayan, dahil spring na rin dito guys, kaya ayan, ang dami nang nagtitinda ng mga pang-gardening, yung mga tanim, yung mga soil, mga ganyan. So, lahat ng mga tao nag-i-start na mag-garden. Saturday ngayon at galing kami sa aming nail salon appointment. So ngayon uwi na kami guys para makapag-relax ng konti at mag-ready dahil kakain kami ng dinner sa labas para sa celebration ng aking birthday at saka Mother's Day na rin. Bukas ang Mother's Day pero ngayon kami magdi-dinner para hindi na kami makisabay bukas sa kabisihan ng mga restaurant because I'm sure tomorrow everything will be full dahil lahat ng mga Mother's Day celebrants, almost everyone naman, 'di ba? Bukas magse-celebrate yung mga yan, kaya ngayon Saturday kami pupunta para hindi masyadong busy. So ayan, on the way home na kami guys.
A few moments later.
At ayan, nandito na kami sa labas guys. On the way na kami pupunta sa buffet restaurant na pupuntahan namin for our dinner. At ito na nga na pilahan guys at saka 4 lang kami, hindi kami makapagpa-reserve dahil 4 lang kami. Ang kinukuha lang nilang reservation ay yung mga maramihan. At ito na finally, pinaupo na kami. At ito na guys, nakakuha na kami ng aming pagkain dahil nagutom kami. Bale 1 hour kaming naghintay sa pila. So ayan, kain po tayo. lobster. Hi.
Hey, Papa. Apa?
I have two.
你家帮我拿一下。
Can I also have the... Sorry. Oh, yummy. Thank you, thank you. You can put it down. That's okay. Kita mo na ani. Diyos ko, ang lalaki ng ano, ng bigay nila, oh. Yan. Tumatawa si Dylan. Okay, I'm gonna go get my food. You okay?
Yeah,
What are these?
I don't know what that is.
Eggplant.
Like appetizer.
Eggplant, black pepper.
I saw
bean.
lots of skewers.
Over there, I guess.
I did already.
You want egg tart? Okay, I'll put it here. Black pepper, golden. Gonna get two.
I am so lost here.
soup
Yeah, I was looking at that.
right there.
Yeah.
You want?
Sure. Wow, big crab, eh?
Yeah.
Or lobster.
Hot and sour.
Có nhà hàng rồi, chảo. Đi chảo á. Không có một cái gì hết. Gọi là
Thank you.
Chichay.
Had lamb, it's pretty good.
Yeah? Lots of food. Oh yeah? Where did you get that? See, ang daming pagkain dito sa harap namin. Oh, yan. Yan. Tsaka soup. Tapos yun naman kay Steve. Itong lobster, meron silang ticket na binibigay. Hirap namang mayain ito. Yung sirap pa yung girl. Ang laki ng ano oh. Lobster. Ano? What do you call this again? Oyster, yeah. Tapos may sangag lang. This is good if you have a chili sauce. You want me to get the chili oil?
Do they have it?
On the other side.
Yeah.
You want me get?
I don't mind.
Wait. Chili oil. Kain tayo ng oyster na may sili. See? Wow, I've never seen oyster like this before. This is big.
They had something similar at Spoonful, but this is bigger.
Yeah. Ang laki oh. Laki ng oyster. Tastes good.
Hey,
It's good with the chili oil. You okay? It's good with the chili oil. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. They are nice. Did you ask?
Ano, makita mo siguro.
It's good. Mine was big, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Mayat mo. I'm not crazy about it. I like the lobster. Kahit ko nung naluto, mga naluto dyan. Kaya,
Luto ka?
well, na-steam.
Anong pinapake?
Haan. Kanan na kano? Kanan na kano? You like? Lucky guys, super. Ngayon lang ako nakakain ng ganito kalaki. Mahal.
You want to sell them?
Look at the shell.
Sell. See?
Big one. Tara.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you. Ayan, meron silang frozen na durian. First time kong makatikim. Masarap naman, pero meron siyang amoy. Pero masarap. Kain tayo. Licha din.
Yeah, Dylan. Look.
Popsicle. Tapos na ang kainan. Ayan, uwi na kami guys. Malamig na naman. Ano ba naman itong weather? Kaninang tanghali napakainit. Ngayon ang lamig na naman. Padilim na guys, oh. Yan. Ito yung plaza kung saan matatagpuan niyang restaurant na buffet. 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 Oopsie. Dahan-dahan. So, what can you say about the restaurant?
It's good.
Good? The inside is very nice.
I'm not.
But I just can't eat everything they have.
Me neither. But I'm not sick like I am when I go to other places.
Other place? Oh, okay. They have some authentic Chinese food. Like the Peking duck
She
with the wrap, like
she's
that.
coming now.
Those are those are authentic Chinese food. At least nakatikim ako guys ng authentic Chinese food na yung Peking duck na nirarap nila. Yung parang lumpiang sariwa sa atin, pero meron din silang wrap na ganon, pero masarap. Meron silang sauce na nilalagay at saka yung Peking duck, saka yung ginagawa nilang wrapper. Yun. So ayan guys, pauwi na kami ngayon.